Hey friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am super excited to be back here with my January sub box. It is gorgeous. I haven't even opened it up, but I can just see right here how pretty it is. So pinks and blues, and look at those girls. Aren't they just beautiful? So let's take a peek. Okay, it says Happy New Year and cheers to you. Hoping this new year to come you are filled with joy and laughter. All paper items in box are handmade with love. Please stay safe, sane, and well planned. Love, Dawn, Emily, Kate. And of course, Dawn, Emily, Kate is DEK. And you guys know I save all this. Ooh, my favorite. It got broken, but that's okay. Cotton candy. We buy these. We've always bought these at, I know, right? At, oops, sorry. My daughter came through. I was moving the table. I forgot the camera was on it. We always buy these at Cracker Barrel. So, yum. I love this. Thank you, Dawn and Kate and Emily. Okay, so I will save all this. This is gorgeous. Ooh, and some nerds. Oh, that's funny. I've never been a big nerd person, but I know in my family there are a lot of them. So we will definitely get that eaten. And oh my goodness, this is a Sharpie. I haven't seen the white ones. Yay. Guys, if you've not tried the new Sharpie pens, they are fantastic. I have every one of all the new pens. Whoops. I had that undone. Sharpie. I mean, I have been a huge Sharpie fan for years and years and years. They came out with new ones. I've absolutely loved them. A white one. I am thrilled. I'm keeping this one. Yes, I am. I've been giving the rest away. I'm keeping those. Oh, look at the halo. Isn't that gorgeous? Washi. Love that. Love that. Okay, now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of this to the side. All right, hold on one second because I've been unboxing other goodies. So I'm going to set this over here on the side because I'm already spilling everything. And I'm going to wipe all this down because I've had nonstop stuff up here. All right, I've been getting all kinds of things together for my 2021 planners, junk journalers, everything. So, so I'm just going to pull everything. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, guys. Seriously, the best planner box there is. I cannot, oh my goodness, I can't say that enough. I've subscribed to almost all of them over the years, and absolutely, this is one of the ones, and I'm so thankful I got this today because I'm going to be doing my 2021 junk journal, and this is going in it. All of this. I cannot. Wow. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. So number one, look at that. Isn't that cute? And our January junk journal challenge is to use the trash you throw away. So I'll be able to use that little card, which I would do anyways. And then, oh, look at these guys. How pretty are these? Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That halo. Look at all the icons. And I love these little bows. How pretty. Okay, and you probably saw this already, but I absolutely love this notepad. It is so nice. Oh, look at that. So there's two. Oh, it's every other one. I got it. They are amazing. And that's what they did last month too, and probably all the others, and I never just paid attention and noticed it because a lot of times I just use them and pull them off. Okay, so this is the extra goodie, which I can use this in my journal. I'm going to put that up there for my junk journal. And let's see here. Oh, fun. All right, so if you don't know, in every subscription box, Dawn throws in a little extra something. So, dear past, thank you for the lessons. 2021, I am ready. Amen. And you know what? I love this. Wow. This is so perfect for what I have spent today preparing. Wow. This is going in my, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, thank you, sweetie. My 2021 junk journal. Wow. I may have to change my colors a little bit, but I don't care. Aren't those so sweet? Oh my goodness. This is perfect. I love that. That I've been doing lots of trays lately for our coffee and tea station. Isn't that cute? I love that little girl. She's so cute. Oh, look at that heart. Oh, so pretty. Kind of like folklore. Oh, that's so pretty. To me, that looks like a magnolia. It's probably not. We have a couple of big, huge magnolia trees. I love this. That's so pretty. Oh, there's that little girl again. Isn't she cute? Oh. And I absolutely adore these kind of pockets. So if you don't know, they're sticky and you can just stick them inside your journals, and they're fantastic planners, whatever you have. So yeah, that's all going. And I love this note. Dear past, thank you for the lessons. Dear future, I am ready. I love that. That is so well said, isn't it? Just so well said. Whew, I am so ready for this year to be in the rearview mirror, you know? And not without having learned lessons. There were tons of good lessons to learn this year. So, all right, friends, let me see here. So I am going to put this video up today. I was thinking I was going to put the other videos. So I had three unboxings of DEK. I also have a Red Aspen unboxing and a Red Aspen gift from Dawn of DEK, because Dawn is the one who introduced me to Red Aspen, which I love. So if you don't see that video, these nails have been on for 2 weeks. Yes, I only had a problem with that nail. It's the first time I've ever worn them. Never done any kind of nails like this before. And I just had to put a little bit more glue in this one because I always use this thumb for everything when I craft. And these are the best thing I've ever tried. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at that. Don't you love that? Oh, so cute. I love the hearts. So pretty. And this, of course, is all the gorgeousness for planner stickers. Oh, I love the side, the little side strip. Oh, and there's that same tray of goodies, the cup. Oh, look at the decorative. So pretty. Buildu, currently watching Rest Day planning session. Absolutely love this. So these are extras. So if you haven't figured, so this would fit perfectly in like an Erin Condren style planner. Plus you get the pennant dates for your monthly or for, throughout the month in your weekly. But here is the kit. So usually when you do planner kits and subscriptions, you only get something like this and maybe some washi and maybe something fun. And that's pretty much it, right? You get all this. There's no upgrades here. This is it. This is the kit. It is amazing. So I'm a little biased. This is what won me over. I signed up for the subscription boxes. They look like fun. And I was just wowed. Absolutely wowed. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Look at that little faux fur jacket. I love that. A little marshmallow, a little snow person. Oh, so beautiful. And then look at all of these decorative stickers as well. Oh, I love those. And look at that. There's the weekend and all the extra goodies. The Monday through Saturday, Sunday. So you can do your menu planning. Oh, I love that. Look at the pennants. The functional icons. Work, 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 work. I love that. I never have enough work. And now there's something, maybe I missed it before, but now I do. Look at all of these. They're all silver splattered. How beautiful. The days of the week. Additional washi tape and additional little headers. How pretty is that? The listers. Got to list goodies. So if you need to list anything in your planner. I love all these headers. I also use these like washi in my personal size planner. More dates. I love that. And let me see here. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Their washi girl. I mean, their planner girls are so beautiful. Their washi girls. Their planner girls are so beautiful. My daughter brought me water. I need to stop and drink. I love this. I will be using this in my junk journal. Hands down, love it. And I love all these. If you don't see what these are, they're just these little strips, and they're just like planner. Aren't those fun? And then you've got the snowflake. I love this. Ooh, tons of decorative. Guys, this is the most amazing subscription box. I don't care what anybody says. It's amazing. And then these have really, I think people have really enjoyed these. And I started using these and I love them. So last but not least is the, hold on one second. I'm going to get the picture stuff up front. Here we go. Wait a minute. Here we go. Whoops. There we go. All right. Gorgeous, gorgeous planner kit. Cannot wait to play with that. But this is one of my favorite things. So I love the paper. I've asked them, would they sell the paper separate? I've asked them about selling even the ephemera, these, because some of these have been on card and some of them have been stickers. These are stickers, if you can't tell, super easy to pull up. But the paper is phenomenal. So as a paper crafter, I'm pretty picky about paper. And I can be, do I dare say it? A paper snob. Excuse me, I'm going to get a drink of water. My daughter brought me my water jug. But I am kind of a paper snob. So hold on one sec. But wow, I was thirsty. Isn't this neat? It's Esther 4:14. This is the moment for which you were created. Isn't that a neat verse? Anyways, I love beautiful paper. It is something that I always am drawn to. I'm a paper crafter. That's what I enjoy using. I've scrapbooked for since 90. And before then I did just the cheapy little peel it up, stick them down and put the paper, little film down on top. I mean, I've been saving pictures since I was a young girl. I mean, my first scrapbook album was when I went to Washington, D.C. in middle school. Yeah, like 7th grade. I mean, seriously, I love it. So anyways, but I love this. And look at the quality of this paper is can you hear that? It's fantastic. It feels amazing. It is not thin and wimpy. It definitely is good paper. So I love the 2021, and there's more of that. Ooh, look at that watercolor wash. Ooh, that is so pretty to tie all that together. And then I love this side. And you could literally cut these out, fussy cut them out. Wouldn't that be pretty? Oh my goodness, so look at that. That looks like it's a mirror image of trees and then just watercolor. How pretty is that? Ooh, look at that. And there's those beautiful snowflake stars. I love that. Look at this vellum. The vellum is fantastic every single time. I love the vellum. So gorgeous, gorgeous. And it's hard to find nice vellum that's not trashed. If you notice, this is all in pristine condition. They do such a great job of packing everything. So look at this. And I literally got something today from Amazon that the bag tore, and they clearly had picked it up off the ground, and it was some cloth trim, and it was flowers, and the white was black. These Amazon at times, bad packing. There are a lot of good things about Amazon. I'm not going to complain. But whoever packed this, they didn't even care. These guys at DEK, I've never had any one thing come not in perfect condition. So absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that too. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I think this is my favorite because it just makes me smile. I love this. And we have special Christmas cups that are those enamel cups. Yeah, my husband and I drank out of them this year. Oh, and I love that. Isn't that pretty? Seriously, it's hard to pick a favorite, though. I do like that one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeousness. This is an amazing, amazing kit. I hope you guys get an opportunity to go over, take a look at everything. The discount code is below. The link for DEK is there. Please put my name in the box. I mean, it's hard to even like spread all this out. There's so much good stuff. And please just, that lets them know that I sent you, and that helps me if you don't mind. And yeah, I mean, goodness gracious, what a way to start this off. Now, we are taking signups right now for February, and they close January 10th. So you have until January 10th to sign up for a subscription box, And it is, and then it closes down on the 10th until the next month. So if you think this is gorgeous, wait till you see the February box. I know. Oh, I forgot. I've got all this too. This is just a never-ending blessing. That's all I can say. And everybody needs little nerds in their life. Hey, I'm married to all the little computer nerds, and, I think it's good. Anyways, and I have pretty fluff for my daughter's birthday present this year in January. Okay, guys, we use the whole buffalo. You guys know that, right? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you go over to dekdesigns.com, again, use my code Chris, KRIS 15, Chris 15, and put that in the discount code area. It's on everything except what's on special and the boxes. But the boxes are such a phenomenal deal. They can't discount it anymore. These are a phenomenal deal. And also, if you would like, you can put my name in the comment box and they will give me credit for sending you over. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. Come on back. I'll be doing some planning with this tomorrow, and I will be doing some junk journaling with this, and I just can't wait to share it with you. So y'all have a great day, and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, send this video off if it would encourage anybody else, and say hi in the comments below. I'd love to say hi back, and welcome all of our new friends. Hello to all of our faithful friends here, faithful subscribers, and I just pray that each of you has a blessed and incredibly wonderful new year, healthy new year. Stay safe, wash your hands often, do all the good stuff they say, and just know you are loved. So it's okay to slow down a little bit again right now. We're going to get past this. We are going to get past this, okay? And we are going to do this. Don't worry about it. And if you need to, get some goodies like this. So it gives you lots of things to practice and work on and do and decorate and journal and have a great time with it, okay? Let's bloom where we're planted right now. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And I will be talking to y'all soon. I'm going to go close the front door because it is really cold in here. All right. And I'm in the inner part of the house. So, all right, friends, I'll be talking to you later. Y'all take care. Be safe. Love ya. Bye-bye.